So I live on a farm property in the high desert. It doesn't look like desert right now, but that's because we have water rights and we do something called flood irrigation. Now you might guess what I'm going to say next based on this behind me right here. Flood irrigation means, well, it's happening right now, so you can see what it means. It means flooding all over our property, which brings in, as you might imagine, a whole bunch of mosquitoes. These have been like our saving grace this year. This is the first season we've ever used them. These have been up for about a month. We are well into the warm days of summer, and it is unbelievable how few mosquitoes we have on our property. We strategically place these around based on the instructions for how far apart to place these, and we've kind of made a bubble in our immediate backyard, and they have worked like a charm. We do not have mosquitoes bothering us as we sit on our deck over here or around our yard. It's wild. We'll see how much longer than a month these last, but so far I am beyond excited that these are now a part of our annual seasonal getting ready for flood irrigation time.